Achoo.
Salud.
Gracias.
Here is one word you need to memorize because you're going to need to say it at a moment notice. The word is salud, which means bless you. Somebody sneezes and says, achoo. You immediately say, salud. Okay, I'm going to break it down so you learn how to say it. Repeat after me. Salud. A little faster. Salud. Somebody sneezes. Achoo. You say, bless you. And in Spanish, achoo. You say, salud.
Achoo.
Salud.
Gracias.
Achoo.
Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Achoo.
Salud.
Gracias.
De nada.
Bless you. Salud. 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 Bless you. Salud. Thank you. Gracias. You're welcome. De nada. Also, to say cheers, you say salud. Cheers. Salud. Cheers. Salud. So, to say bless you or cheers, you say it the same way. You say salud. Bless you. Salud. Cheers. Salud. So there you go. You just killed two birds with one stone.